Looking for the best dash cam in 2026 to protect yourself on the road? Whether it's for safety, insurance claims, or capturing unexpected moments, choosing the right dash cam can make all the difference. In today's video, I've rounded up the top 5 best dash cams of 2026, packed with features like 4K recording, night vision, parking mode, and smart AI features. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. Number 1. BOTSLAB 4K Dash Cam Front and Rear. The BOTSLAB 4K Dash Cam offers dual-channel recording with 4K front and 2K rear resolution, powered by the Sony IMX415 STARVIS sensor. It also includes ADAS safety alerts, GPS tracking, and ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. This dash cam is built for drivers who want advanced safety features. The ADAS system adds a smart layer of driving assistance, while the video clarity remains sharp even at night thanks to WDR and STARVIS technology. Pros: crisp 4K plus 2K dual recording. ADAS safety alerts. Excellent night vision. Built-in GPS and fast Wi-Fi. Cons: no SD card included. Slightly higher price point. Number 2. REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K STARVIS 2 Dash Cam. This model features 4K front and rear recording, powered by the newer STARVIS 2 sensor, plus a 3.18-inch touchscreen and built-in voice control. It also includes a 128GB card out of the box. The REDTIGER F7N Touch is all about convenience and performance. The touchscreen makes navigation super easy, while voice control adds hands-free functionality, perfect for safer driving. Pros: STARVIS 2 sensor for superior low-light video. Touchscreen plus voice control. Includes 128GB memory card. Fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Cons: slightly bulky design. Touchscreen can be reflective in sunlight. Number 3. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. The ROVE R2-4K is a single-channel dash cam offering UHD 2160p recording, built-in Wi-Fi 6, GPS tracking, and a compact 2.4-inch display. If you're looking for a budget-friendly yet powerful dash cam, the ROVE R2-4K is a solid pick. It delivers sharp footage and fast file transfers with Wi-Fi 6, but lacks a rear camera. Pros: affordable price. 4K UHD recording. Wi-Fi 6 for fast transfers. Compact and easy to install. Cons: no rear camera. Smaller screen. Number 4. 3-channel 4K dash cam, front plus rear plus interior. This dash cam offers triple-channel recording, front, rear, and interior, with 4K plus 2K resolution, along with built-in GPS and dual-band Wi-Fi. Perfect for rideshare drivers or those who want full coverage. The interior camera is a huge bonus, and the included 128GB card means you're ready to go right away. Pros: 3-channel recording, full coverage. Includes 128GB card. Ideal for Uber/taxi drivers. Strong parking monitoring features. Cons: more complex installation. Slightly larger unit. Number 5. REDTIGER F7NP 4K Dash Cam. The REDTIGER F7NP combines 4K front plus rear recording with a STARVIS 2 sensor, built-in GPS, and 5.8 GHz fast Wi-Fi. It also includes a free memory card. This is a balanced option between performance and price. It delivers great video quality and reliable performance, making it a dependable everyday dash cam. Pros: STARVIS 2 sensor. Reliable 4K video quality. Fast Wi-Fi connectivity. Includes memory card. Cons: no touchscreen. Basic design. Alright, that brings us to the end of our list of the top 5 best dash cams in 2026. Now, as you've seen, each of these dash cams offers something different, whether it's budget-friendly performance, full 3-channel coverage, or advanced features like ADAS and voice control. So the right choice really depends on what you need for your driving style and daily use. If you're someone who just wants a simple and reliable setup, the ROVE R2-4K is a great starting point. But if you want complete protection, especially for rideshare or long-distance driving, then going for a front, rear, and interior camera setup is definitely worth it. And of course, if you're looking for something more premium with smarter safety features, the BOTSLAB or REDTIGER models are solid options that won't disappoint. Also, if you've already used any of these dash cams, or if you have a favorite that I didn't mention, drop a comment below. It really helps others make a better decision. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest and simple tech reviews like this.